Tabouli with a protein-packed twist. Pasta salad with a smooth tomato sauce. These fresh and flavourful recipes are delicious, nutritious and perfect for spring.
Yep, that got your attention, didn't it? To show us how is healthy chef Teresa Cutter. Thanks for joining us, Teresa. So
g'day.
Let's start with this Tabouli with a twist. What's in it?
My beautiful Avalon Beach Tabouli. Well, it's fantastic. Unlike normal Tabouli, I'm putting some brown rice in mine.
That's different.
Now, you can put, for a low-carb version, I've got cauliflower rice up here, but I'll show you that later. So you've got that. We've got tuna in our Tabouli, packed with omega-3, some protein as well. So we're adding tuna in here. We've got your normal spring onions that you would can traditionally put in Tabouli. We've got lots and lots of parsley, lots of antioxidants here. A little bit of mint, just a little sprinkle of mint. And pumpkin seeds, lots of zinc as well. Great for your sex drive.
Okay.
Fantastic.
It's not what we expected in the morning, Teresa.
There you go.
Lots and lots. The secret is lots and lots of lemon. Servo.
Oh, okay, yep.
Okay, lots and lots of lemon and a nice, generous little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil.
What, that's it? I'll move that. I feel like
it's going to
I'm jumping ahead here.
Yeah, he's dying to eat it. Go, you start.
Taste it. This is fantastic. But the secret is, look, I've got one that I've made earlier, but what I like to do when I serve it, a nice big spoonful of yoghurt like I have on your little plates.
Yep.
Oh, I see.
The yoghurt just makes it eat so much better, and it's luscious and smooth and creamy. Plus, you've got your probiotics in there as well. But...
Yum.
Oh, yeah.
And the great thing about this Tabouli, it lasts like 3 days in the fridge. Fantastic for meal prep, school lunches.
That's delicious.
Budget-friendly, high protein, gluten-free. Oh, it's one of a kind.
You can add different proteins to that as well?
You can, if you don't want the tuna. I've got some great little chickpeas here. You can put white beans in there as well, which are fantastic. You can make it low-carb. I've got cauliflower rice. I've got some gorgeous cranberries in here and some walnuts for added omega-3. It's wonderful. It's fantastic. And
that is great.
It's great, isn't it?
I really love that.
The yoghurt really helps it. You can put tahini in there as well.
You can mix it all in together, right?
Yeah.
Whatever veggies you guys
It's
have.
so tasty,
You know what
though.
I'll chuck in here? A little bit of spice, a little bit of chilli or something like
Yeah,
that.
if you like chilli, that's fantastic.
He lives on sriracha.
Sriracha or some avo or something would be great in there.
Oh, yeah,
as well.
avo. And what's the pasta one?
The pasta one's a great one. It's my no-cook tomato sauce. It's a tomato sauce made in a blender that I've folded here through some gluten-free pasta. So it's literally tomatoes, a little bit of red onion, a few tiny little bit of garlic, and you just whiz it all up in a blender with some olive oil, and you mix it up with some capers, some olives, and look at this.
No cooking.
This is no cooking. And it's budget-friendly, it's delicious, and you can put some tuna or other sorts of protein in there as well.
Might as well.
And it'll last like 3 days in the fridge as well. So it's super budget-friendly, super delicious. You can put tuna in there, beans, whatever protein sauce you like. And just a little bit of parmesan on top of it.
Very fresh.
Very fresh, isn't it?
Yes.
With I've got a little bit of red wine vinegar in there as well, just to add that little bit of zing. But it's a great way of using, broccoli, cauliflower, using up all your veggies in the fridge, just putting them into all these gorgeous, delicious springtime salads.
And cheap.
Very different taste, actually.
Yeah,
it's really
which is what we're all after now, because you just half the time you can't afford any meat to put in there.
Cheap, budget-friendly, super-duper delicious.
No wastage.
No wastage, and your whole family's going to love it. It's fantastic.
Look at the spread.
It's fantastic.
I know.
OK, we're going to finish this. Teresa, thank you very much. Teresa Cutter there. You can find all the recipes over on the Sunrise website and more great ideas in Teresa's book. It's called Simple Healthy Recipes, and it's out now. News time, here's Mon.